Hello friends, today we are going to see the latest update on Vodafone Idea and why it surged around 30% today. Friends, Vodafone Idea is a Vodafone Group PLC is a British multinational telecommunication company's subsidiary in India, and its headquarters is based in London, that's England. Friends, and it predominantly operates services in regions of Asia, Africa, Europe and Oceania. Friends, the latest update is Verizon and Amazon may invest over 4 billions in Vodafone Idea. Friends, Vodafone Idea stack sale talks has been paused pending the outcome of the court hearing in India. On Tuesday, Supreme Court given 10 years of settlement on government dues, roughly 500 billions after paying 78.5 billions by Vodafone Idea. But friends, all thought about it is negative for Vodafone Idea, and due to that on Supreme Court hearing day it surged around 10%, but after that it again moved. But as today's news that Verizon and Amazon investing in Vodafone Idea, it surged around 30%. Why? Because friends, there it will happen. Why? Because Amazon so many days trying to enter India's telecom side, but it failed. Why? Because Reliance Jio is getting as rival for Amazon, and it talks with Airtel, but Amazon failed to take a stack in Airtel to do business, but it got a chance with Vodafone Idea. And why? Because Vodafone Idea is entered India's drone ecosystem by partnering with Zomato. Friends, with this it has a huge opportunity for Vodafone to get Amazon stack or to deal this. Why? Because Amazon also trying and got approved in US to do drone delivery service for Amazon Prime members, and it is plus for Vodafone and Amazon. If they take a stack in Vodafone, they will use Vodafone SIMs in their drones and to do business, and to do telecom side they will give their Amazon Prime services, and whatever services Amazon providing, they will provide the services to Vodafone Idea users. It will benefit for both Vodafone Idea and Amazon. This is win-win situation for both, and Vodafone is doing that drone services. It is in R&D with 4 companies. They are Clear Sky, Tech Eagle, Clear Analytics and AirMap. And already Vodafone Idea is working on drones in Spain and UK. And friends, this is very good deal, friends, and we are expecting that it will happen. The Amazon and Verizon taking stacks in Vodafone is compulsory, and already drone delivery service partner Skyports has collaborated with technology communication Vodafone and digital consultant Deloitte to transport medical supplies for NHS in Scotland. Friends, with this there is no longer waiting for drone services in India, and with this Verizon is looking very strong and Amazon is very strong to pick a stack in Vodafone. That's why today it surged around 30%. And Verizon Wireless is a American telecom company which offers wireless products and services. Its division of wireless and Verizon Communications is the largest wireless company in US. Friends, it is very good deal between Amazon and Vodafone Idea, and it will happen. Due to that, the surge of Vodafone Idea share happened today. Friends, thank you very much for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much.